model, 70-plate Ford Transit 350-liter Ecoblue spares OR repairs bargain cowboy hat face cowboy hat face cowboy hat face cowboy hat face. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 112647. MOT, 3 December 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Ecoblue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox perfect and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.